Hey my forevers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Soraya Beauty. I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on how to put on the perfect lash. Step 1 is to apply your favorite mascara. Then follow up with a black eyeliner. You can create a wing or you can just line the ends of your eyes. You don't have to go all out. Just have a nice space for your lashes. Take a look at these bad boys. Yes. With the kit comes the perfect eyelash applicator, easy to use for beginners. Next is lash glue. Let it sit for a little bit and then apply your lash. Tilt your head back just a little bit. Then pinch those lashes on and you're ready to go. Now didn't that look easy? Let's see that on the other eye. Instant replay. Now we won't always get it on the first try, but keep it going, keep pushing, keep working, and eventually you'll be a pro. See, I was struggling a bit. I'm not perfect. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And to Soraya Beauty, thank you for partnering with me.